welcome back to the Fuentes Family channel. And again, this is Lorie. So, in today's video, guys, we will be interviewing these beautiful Filipino province girls. We will be asking them if what country or which country would they visit to find their man. So, let's start with her. What's your name?
Jeanette de los Santos.
Jeanette. Nice to meet you, Jeanette.
Nice to
I
meet
am
you too.
Lorie. Okay, Jeanette, are you single?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, so Jeanette, my first question is we have 195 countries in the world. Which country would you visit to find your man?
For me, I want to visit from Korea
Korea.
because as a K-pop lover, I want to have a husband coming from Korea. That's all.
Wow. We love K-pop, right? We do love K-pop, right?
Yes.
Yes. For the last question, what makes you a good future wife?
For me, um, as a good wife for the future, I am caring and loving wife for my husband.
I think
That's
that is
all.
yes. I think that is very common for Filipinas, right? That they
Yeah.
are loving and caring, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next is we have okay. What's your name?
Justine.
Justine. Wow, I have a best friend. Her name is Justine. She's very small. Okay, nice to meet you, Justine. Okay, so Justine, are you single?
No.
No. Okay. So, Justine, let's say in the future, okay, you'll be single. Okay, this is for the interview. Which country would you visit to find your man?
I guess it would be Japan
Japan. Why?
because I love their culture and specifically their uh, the as we all know that their place that Japan is the place of anime and manga or
Oh. Wow. That's great. Actually, we love Japan as well. Me and my husband, we are planning to visit Japan soon to celebrate our, I believe, fifth wedding anniversary because they have delicious foods, right? Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. So for the last question, what makes you a good future wife?
I guess being loving and thoughtful
Oh, I
and
love that.
being caring.
Caring. I love that being thoughtful. Okay, thank you, Justine. Okay, for the last one, we have what's your name?
Visa.
Lisa. Wow, you have a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you. I have an auntie named Lisa. Okay, Lisa, which country would you visit, okay, to find your man?
Probably France. Mga
France.
French people.
Why?
I like their accent and their culture.
Wow.
I want to learn French accent.
Wow. Okay, so you like to visit France, okay, and you like, their
Eiffel Tower.
wow.
Paris.
Okay. So, Lisa, what makes you a good future wife?
Probably uh and thoughtful and caring wife. I'm not sure about it. I'm moody.
You're
Oh.
moody. Are you single as well?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Okay. So, um, are you classmates, the three of
Yes.
you? And what is the course again that you are taking?
BSCS, Computer Science.
Oh, what year are you now?
Second year.
Second year college. So next year, third year. 2 more years, right?
Oh.
Yeah, wow. And how was it? How was the school life? Stressful. Oh my god. Oh. We will be asking these beautiful Filipino province girls. They're shy. Okay, let's start with you. What's your name?
Joanna po.
Joanna, you have a very nice name. Nice to meet you. It's Lorie. Okay, so for the first question, Joanna, we have 195 countries in the world. Which one would you visit to find your man?
Siyempre, Spain.
Spain, wow. Okay, why Spain?
Tagalog.
Taglish. Why Spain?
Because may kausap na po ako.
Oh, so she has a chatmate. Okay, what else?
Also
and he's from Spain.
Mhm.
So, if sa marami pong country, so I choose po Spain po kasi because taga doon po siya.
Okay, because he's from there, from
Yes po.
Spain. Okay, so that's the reason why you choose Spain. Okay, for the last question, what makes you a good future wife?
Tinatanong po ba yan?
She said, are you really like asking that? Okay, why? What makes you a good future wife?
As a Filipina, we all know Filipina po, they love, they take care of the
Family.
family, and they love all of them. They give everything para po mabigay yung ma-provide yung
Yes.
pangangailangan.
Okay.
So, maaalagaan ko siya, syempre, because syempre padaba ko siya.
So she's someone that can take care of her family. So that makes her a good wife in the future. Thank you. That's very nice. Okay, next, what's your name?
Jessica po.
Jessica. Nice to meet you, Jessica. It's Lorie. Okay, so Jessica, okay, we have 195 countries in the world. Which one would you visit to find your man?
I think is the country that I want to visit at Canada.
Canada. Why Canada?
I think I have a future in Canada. Then because there's a lot of job opportunities there.
That's true.
Yes.
Perfect.
So I think the man that I want deserve I need to deserve is in the Canada.
It's from Canada,
Yeah.
yes. I've heard a lot of Filipino overseas working. They're working at Canada. Like for example, the farmers and everything. They have lots of job like vacancies for Filipinos, and I love one thing about Canada about that. Okay, so for the last question, what makes you a good future wife?
Um, I think being understandable person.
I love that one.
Yeah. I think that's one of my assets
Okay.
on how to handle as a wife.
Okay.
That's all, Mama.
That's all. Okay, so thank you so much. That's a very nice answer, especially if your future husband is like, what do you call this? Like,
Or what?
yes, you will be understanding.
Understandable.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, next, what's your name?
Rai.
Rai. Wow, you have a nice name. Okay, Rai, come here, Rai. Rai. Okay, Rai next to right. Always misses right. Okay, so Rai, what country or which country would you visit in the future to find your man?
I think the best country that I can able to find a future husband or a good man is from United States, specifically in New York, because I think that's there's a lot of people there who really hardworking, good, good people, very understandable. Yeah,
I love that. Actually, New York is the what do you call it, the richest state in USA. Okay, I love that answer. Okay, for the last question, what makes you a good future wife?
aside from being understandable, I am not a very controllable person or a girlfriend. Um, if a man wants to hang out with his or her friends, um, hindi ko siya pagbabawalan. Like, I want to explore and learn from them, not just from me. I want to have his time for himself.
Okay, so your future boyfriend, fiance, husband, they could have their me time.
Yes.
Right? You're not gonna be like let them stay at home stuck with you.
Yes.
You will just let them go hang out with their friends. Wow, that's very nice. Not everyone is like that, especially me. I'm always like jealous. I will let
I'm
my
not a very clingy. I'm not a very clingy person.
But thank you for your honesty. Thank you so much. Are you all single? Oh, except you because you have already a chatmate. Are you single?
Yes.
Are you single?
Yes.
Are you single? Single. Okay. Thank you so much for having this interview. I love you guys. You're all studying, right? Classmates? What course are you taking?
Tourism management.
Oh, tourism. And what year are you now?
Third year college.
Third year. Oh wow, one more year and you will graduate. And house school?
All good.
Not stressful?
It's stressful.
Neutral.
Okay, thank you.
We can do things.
Yeah. Thank you so much. You're the best. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Again, what's your name?
Realing.
Very nice to meet you, Rialin. This is Lorie. So, for the first question, Rialin, which country would you visit to find your man?
Korea.
Korea. And why?
Kasi yung mga boys doon, chinito, yung mga mata nila singket.
Okay, so what Rialin said was it's because Korean men they have these cute little eyes. Okay, and what else?
K-drama, magaganda yung mga, ano nila, movie.
Oh. So she said that it's because their dramas, their movies, like telenovelas for some, it's beautiful. Okay, so for the last question, what makes you a good future wife?
A good man and a good heart.
A good man and a good heart. Okay. Do you consider yourself as a loving person?
Yes.
Okay. So I think that's one of the reason that you'll be a good wife in the future. Thank you, Riel. She has her friends here. They're shy. Oh my god. We have here a group of students. Actually, they did their what do you call this? Social experiment about depression. So I was like, I was having second thought if I will ask them, but they're very kind to accept the interview. So let's start with her since she doesn't have a mask. Okay, ate, they're very shy. This is the typical Filipino province, people. They're very shy. But ate, what's your name?
Jelly.
Jelly, nice to meet you. I am Lorie. So ate Jelly, I mean, how old are you? 20. Oh, so I'm older than her. Okay, so the very first question is we have 195 countries in the world. Which country would you visit to find your man?
Korea.
Korea. A lot of people are saying Korea. Okay, why Korea?
Nothing.
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 Just Korea. Just
Yes.
okay. So for the last question, what makes you a good future wife?
Hello? Siguro ano na lang, good, a good person.
Oh, she's a good person. So you mean it's like you have a good heart, a big heart. Wow, that's very nice. I would love that. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. We have so many. Okay, next. Okay, Kuya. Okay, Kuya, what's your name, Kuya?
Al,
How old are you, Kuya?
28.
28. Okay, so yeah, it's right for me to say Kuya. Okay, so Kuya, are you single?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we have 195 countries in the world. Okay, which country would you like to visit to find your woman or your future wife?
England.
England. Wow. Why England?
I love England because the country is uh, for me kindness and um, beautiful country.
Beautiful
Kindness and
country.
beautiful country.
Wow, that's very nice. Okay, so for the last question, what makes you a good future husband?
Be a good husband to and be a good husband and be a good father to my child.
Ah, that's beautiful. The last one is so beautiful. Okay, thank you, Kuya. Thank you so much. Okay, next. We have so many. Okay, how about you, ate? Okay, ano na sumas mo, ate?
Hi.
You're so beautiful. You don't look like a Filipina. She's white. Okay, so ate, what's your name?
Jessica po.
Jessica, how old are you?
23.
20. Okay, I'm still old. Okay, so are you single?
No.
No. Oh,
I'm
no.
taken.
Okay, so anyway, this is just for the interview. Let's say in the future you'll be single. Okay, we have 195 countries in the world. Which one would you visit to find your future husband or your man?
I think Korea din.
Korea, why?
Yes. Because halos lahat kasi ng
It's
Tagalog.
okay lang.
Halos kasi lahat ng idol ko is nasa Korea po.
Oh.
Tsaka, ano din eh, mahilig din ako manood ng K-drama.
Oh, it's because so she chose Korea because her idols are there, and of course she also loves to watch Korean dramas, right?
Yes.
We love Korean dramas; they're the best, right? Okay. So for the last question, what makes you a good wife, future wife?
I think good person, and gagawin ko pa rin yung lahat. Ay, kahit, di ba po, kahit may mga times na, may mga ugali tayong hindi din
Maganda.
maganda. Tapos, siguro syempre sa ngayon, hindi pa natin malalaman kung ano ba yung magiging future natin. Pero para sa akin, gagawin ko lahat, maging mabuting asawa dun sa mapapangasawa ko. Kasi yun naman talaga yung goal kapag gusto mo na magkaroon ng pamilya.
So what she said, I don't know if I was able to translate that, but what she said is that not everyone has, not everyone is like perfect, but she's going to try her best to become the best wife, a
Yes.
good wife, because that's what we like or we want, or so what it's supposed to be, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much. You're so beautiful. So, guys, if you have questions, you can comment down below. We are going to answer those questions for you. Once again, this is Lorie.